Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Magicmakers Tarot by Paulina Fae, published by US Game Systems. Thank you so much for sending this my way. This retails for $23.95 in the US, and of course, everywhere that you can legitimately purchase this will be linked in the description box below. All right, let's get into it. Immerse yourself in the world of Magic Makers, where enchanting beings brilliantly come to life through Paulina Fae's ethereal tarot artwork. The Magic Makers eagerly reveal their arcane prescriptions for personal alchemy, offering guidance, insight, and heartfelt wishes for happiness and abundance. With each shuffle and draw, they open the portals of new possibilities, empowering you to unlock the magic within your soul through your intuition. For you too are a magic maker, shining a light of potential for all to behold. Includes 78 cards and an 84-page booklet with upright and reverse meanings and 3 custom spreads. All right, I am excited. Let's get into it. I already unwrapped it, so you didn't need to see me struggle. Let's take a peek at the guidebook real fast. We do have a nice table of contents. Spreads are going to be in the back. Crafted over 3 years. All right, this is her 5th tarot deck. The Magic Makers welcome you with open arms. Whether you are new or a seasoned reader, they're ready to share their secret prescriptions for personal alchemy. Their wish is to help guide you in opening new doors to discover powers within yourself. They would also like to remind you that you too are the Magic Maker, shining a light of infinite potentials for all beings. To all Magic Makers near and far, we wish you boundless happiness, health, and abundance. And then it goes into the major and then the minors. Okay, let's see the spreads in the back. We have a 1-card solo spread, a 4-card Magic Makers Dreamwork spread, and Trusting Inner Wisdom spread with 3 cards. All right, let's get into it. We'll dive back into the guidebook after the flip through. These are a little chubbier, but they're cute. All right, we have a nice pretty back. It reminds me of their Witchlings deck. Very much the US Game Systems cardstock. Very flexible, but it's snapping back. Right in that medium thickness that I like. It's very easy to shuffle. There's a slight gloss, but I would not call it a high gloss. All right, we have the title and the number down below. Her art is always so whimsical, and there's something so nostalgic about it. I really do enjoy it. She does incorporate a lot of animals in her artwork as well. Ooh, that's pretty. Love the little peacock-like birds there. The Mentor instead of the Hierophant. I like that. Love. Look at the little love letters. Oh, that's sweet. We have a dragon instead of a lion. Keeping on that theme, but we do have a little lion right there. This is gorgeous. There's a lot of little symbols in the artwork as well, if you look closely. Ooh. Fire and water there. Oh, the djinn. The djinn instead of the devil. Interesting. Oh, Renewal instead of judgment. All right, off to a really good start here. Now we're in the minors with the wands. This does feel very gentle and accessible. The colors are vibrant, but they're muted due to the fact that they were like the watercolor. So I like that. It's not so intense, but you can still get that intensity, if that makes sense. So we're now in cups. Oh no, a branch fell down. Ah, directions and paths. That's really interesting. If you liked her Phantasma Tarot, I think you would like this one as well. Gorgeous. Swords. Oh, that's an interesting one. Oh, yeah. This is definitely a deck that each time you use it, you're going to find new little pieces of the art that will call to you each time. You'll notice more things intuitively. Pentacles. All right, let's see how it shuffles here. Nice. Oh, yes. And overhand. There we go. Nice. Let's get a card to read, please. Loved one came out first, so that's what we are going to read for. Okay, keywords: love, connection, harmony, kindred spirits, and choices. The birds encompass love in all its forms. Across the earth they fly, carrying letters of sacred energy. To one another they bring gifts of inner balance and peace. The messages within are poems of love, including self-love. The message: harmony is restored through the power of love. And we have reverse keywords here: disharmony, poor choices, disconnection, imbalance, and one-sidedness. I love that. And we do have the same structure for the minor as well. I love that there's an explanation of the art. I love that that helps integrate the message as well. The quality is great. The art is just gorgeous. I am a little biased because I do love Paulina Fae's work. I have quite a few of her decks and I enjoy utilizing them. They're always so gentle and always such a great meditative deck to work with. So if you kind of want to meditate on the messages, they're great to kind of get lost in the imagery if you like doing that. But just wonderful, beautiful, accessible. It might get a little bit of a you might have a little bit of a challenging time if you are a beginner, just simply because it's not your basic Rider-Waite Smith imagery. However, the guidebook is great, and if you need a little extra help, getting a tarot reference book will also help with that as well. But I think you'll be fine using the guidebook included if that is a concern. So I am excited. I cannot wait to get to know this on a more personal level. Now I would love to know what you guys think down in the comments. Leave a bird of your choice emoji if you have made it this far in the video, and let me know what you think. Is this for you? Are the Paulina Fae decks your cup of tea? What are your thoughts? Let me know all of them down below. Thank you so much to US Games for sending this my way. And if you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.